In the last video, we installed our WordPress website to our hosting account. And now we have a blank website. We want to develop what is here from just having a basic website such as this to something like this. All right. So what we need to do is first we need to install a plugin. All right. We call it WP Vivid. So to install that, on the left panel on your WordPress dashboard, you need to come over to plugins. So on the top corner, you will see add new. So click that and just search for WP Vivid. Right, so this very first one is what we need to install. Migration backup staging WP Vivid. Hit install now. After installing the plugin, you need to activate the plugin. Okay, now the plugin is activated. So to achieve what we have here, usually there are a series of work or a series of steps that it takes to create a complex website like what you have on the screen. However, we have made this very, very easy for you. We have gone ahead to develop the website from start to finish. And all you have to do is just edit a few things and customize it to your own liking. All right. So we have created this website and made it in a zip format. All right. So it's that zip folder that we are going to upload our newly installed WordPress website. All right. Then we can edit it to suit our taste. Okay. So what we need to do is in this WP Vivid dashboard, you scroll all the way down and say upload. All right. So you click select files to choose the file from our computer. So it will take a while to actually upload. So once you select that, make sure you click upload. So once you click upload, it would begin uploading the website. The upload is done. So we'll see that the file we uploaded, under it, there's a button that says restore. So basically what we're doing is we are replacing our newly installed website with the uploaded one that has been done complete. So this particular zip file, we are going to make it available, but it's not for free because there's a lot of work that has gone into it. So anyone who is actually interested in it can actually make a payment. We'll make the link available under this video. Under this very video, you will see the link to actually purchase that zip file. And the reason we have done that is because there's a lot of work that has gone into it and there's a lot of time that has gone into it, and it will just be bastardized if it is left out there for free. All right. So there has to be a little bit of commitment for you to have this file and be able to use it for your personal or for your business needs. All right. So it's actually a token. It's nothing much, but we need that little bit of commitment from you to actually make sure people that have this design or this file are people that are really interested in it and wouldn't just go about sharing it because they got it for free. Okay, that being said, what we want to do is click on this restore button, and it will say, please do not close the page or switch to other pages when the restore task is running, as it could trigger some unexpected errors. So what we want to do is just click restore. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay. So while it's restoring, you do not want to do any other thing. You do not want to switch to another tab. Just leave the screen on and make sure you are doing nothing on your system. It doesn't take too much time. So after a while, we will see that it has restored finish and the website is exactly like what we have in the sample. All right, so we have successfully restored the website. We want to click okay, restore completed successfully. Okay, so it would reload and prompt us to log in. All right, so when you purchase this zip file, you'll also be given the username and password to use, because the username and password you used to register would no longer work. What would work here is the username and password that has been stored with the website that we uploaded. Okay, so once you purchase, you have access to the username and the passwords. That would be from the files that you would have access to download. All right. All right. So I'm now logged in, and you will see that the dashboard is still about the same, but it has more items here because there are lots of extra plugins that have been installed that was used to achieve this website. So if you check out the website by coming over here and by clicking and saying open to the new tab, we will see that what we have here is exactly what we had in the sample website, which is amazing. All right. So by just installing the zip file, by uploading it and restoring it, you have exactly what you have built for you. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is exactly how you can customize this website you have in front of you to suit your taste. All right, as a business owner, or to to match with your brand styles, with your logo, upload your product, and all of those things. So I would show you that in the very next video.